Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I am obsessed with decorating for the holidays. And in today's video, I am wanting to sort of mash up a haul with a decorate with me. It's not really going to be a decorate with me, but what I really want to do is show you how I'm using these items in my home currently. I could not wait to sit down and film a haul. I just immediately started decorating with them, and then I thought, oh crap, I'm sure that some of you guys are gonna like some of this stuff. So I wanna show you how I'm using it, and hopefully that will be a little bit more beneficial to you. So I'll be throwing clips up on the screen somehow, some way, to show you how I'm using these items. Everything that I can link below for you guys, I will. And if you end up liking this style of video, let me know. In the future, I will make more haul videos where I show you how I'm actually using the items. And my Christmas home tour will be up in a couple weeks. I'm not nearly done yet, and I really don't want to spoil the surprise either. So I figured if I just show you how I use these individual items in their little designated area, it would still give you inspiration without, you know, taking away the fun of the surprise when I do my home tour. So I have stuff from Target, Kirkland's, and Walmart, but honestly, most of it's from Target. I will make sure to let you know where everything is from, but I may jump around a little bit. So the first thing that I got is this throw blanket here. This is from Target. This may look familiar because I hauled a gold one for the fall time, and this is only $10. I think it's $9.99. They have the cute little pom-poms on the end, and this is a really pretty emerald hunter green kind of color, which is my main color for Christmas. I love it so much. I decorated with this color last year, but my fiance Jose, he loved the gold version of this blanket, and he really wanted me to leave it out with our Christmas decor, and I'm like, no, it doesn't match, so I had to get a green one. This is such a good buy. It actually comes with a tag on it that says like to and from, so it'll make a really great gift, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys because I think anybody would love to receive this for Christmas. The next thing that I got from Target is this beautiful etched glass candle. It has a little foot on it. This is from the Opal House brand as well as the blanket, and this is elderberry and incense. These are soy candles, and it says it has a burn time of 32 hours. And this was actually strong. I was shocked. I got this just because it was so pretty, and it did smell really nice, but it actually is strong. It filled my house. That has never happened with a Target candle before. So it's just a sweet, but kind of smoky, earthy sort of a scent. It really does smell like Christmas time. So I grabbed this. Probably my most favorite find of all this year is this brass nutcracker. This feels full circle to me, you guys, because my parents were nutcracker hoarders. I am not kidding you when I say that at one point they had 200 to 300 nutcrackers, and when they downsized their home, they got rid of a ton of them, and I don't know how many are left at this point, but I have never personally decorated with nutcrackers because I felt like they were kind of old-fashioned and outdated. I used to try to be like a bit more modern than I am now, but this, I had to have it. And as you guys know, I'm getting much more traditional with my old age. Anyways, I just felt like this was an updated version, and I love him. I'm decorating with brass this year. He was $16.99. He does work. And the price is kind of high on this, but totally worth it. I will have this for years and years to come, and I can decorate with him in so many different ways, put him in so many different places. I am just so smitten with this little guy. I also am in love with this next item that I'm going to show you. It's going to be hard to get it completely in the screen, but it is this garland that I got from Target as well. This is from the Hearth and Hand brand. It is 6 feet long, and it is a cedar garland for $19.99. I am never buying the like fringy kind of greenery ever again. There's just so much good realistic greenery out there now, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is definitely realistic looking, not super thick, so it has kind of that sparse look. It's not going to take up too much space, and I actually plan on doubling this with another garland that I picked up and already shared with you guys, so I actually love the way that the two of them look together. So this next item is very similar to the last item, and it is this, what are they calling it? Tabletop arrangement. It has that same kind of cedar look, but it has I think these are juniper berries. When they have the blueberries, I think that's juniper. I could be wrong. But this just looks so realistic. I love the simplicity, and I'll be able to leave this out all winter. So for $12.99, I thought that was a little bit pricey. I think there was a sale when I picked this stuff up. At least I hope there was. Or I just kind of pretend like there was so I can feel better about the money that I spent. But anyways, I love this guy, and I think it comes in a smaller size too for maybe $9.99 if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable and a little bit smaller. Okay, the last two Target items are from the Target dollar spot. My friend Jen, her Instagram name is theXXo78. You guys probably already know her. She has the most beautiful, like French country, a little bit farmhousey style. So pretty. So she had posted a picture on her story of this item from the Target dollar spot and said, this has eclectic Kristen vibes. And I was like, yep, I already bought it, just didn't show it to you guys. And it is this bell ornament. It is ceramic. It's very heavy, but I have a huge tree, so it handles it just fine. So I bought 3 of these, and it's just like this dark green glaze with the white X's on it. Hearth and Hand used this print last year, so it is kind of like pretending to be Hearth and Hand, but Hearth and Hand stole it from somebody else, so what's the difference? These are so cute. They look amazing on my tree. I can't wait to show you guys them. The last thing from Target that I got is this table runner. It's just white with like a red, really simple plaid on it and the tassels on the end. I thought this looked kind of old-timey. The tassels kind of make it look a little bit more updated. But anyways, these table runners from the Target dollar spot, they're short, but they're the perfect length for the 4-seater pub height table that I have in my kitchen. So whenever they have a good one, I grab it for $3. You can't go wrong. Moving on to HomeGoods, I picked up just a few items. I got this beautiful ornament. I actually got 3 of these. I know that a lot of you guys are not super interested in individual ornaments, but I have to tell you guys that I love picking out individual ornaments. I invest in my ornaments. They are one of the things that last from year to year to year in my Christmas decor that I don't have to replace constantly. I just build up my collection and use the same ones year after year. So I had never seen an ornament in this color. It's kind of like a faded amber glass. It has like an etched pattern in it. To me, it has kind of old-fashioned vibes. There probably wasn't anything like this back then, but it just, the color of it and how the glass is etched, it definitely gives me those feelings. So when I am shopping for ornaments, I always gravitate towards the ones that I'm like, I have never seen that anywhere else before. And this, I've never seen it anywhere else. So I had to grab 3 of them. They were $3.99, and it's a very thick glass. If this fell on the floor, I'm fairly positive that it would not break. So the other item that I got from HomeGoods, I swore I was not going to get any more of these, but I just could not resist when I saw this one. And it is this awesome pillow. This was $19.99. It's either a 20 by 20 or a 22 by 22, but it's in that beautiful dark hunter green that I decorate with. And it has the white trees with the little white polka dots. But the best part of all is that it's reversible. And the other side is just the reverse color pattern. This is super loosely filled. You can see it's like, you could squish this baby up, but it's super comfortable. And I was really looking for a wintry pattern pillow that was mostly white that I could put my plaid pillow in front of and the prints wouldn't clash, and I feel like this is exactly that. So I love these and I bought 2 of them. All right, so I picked up one item from Kirkland's and it's actually too big for where I wanted to put it, so I need to find a new place for it or return it. I really don't want to return it though, because I have been eyeing this forever. And by forever, I mean since they had their Christmas decor out. But it is this massive bell. It's like a golden brassy color. This was $21, but everything was on sale, so I got it for $17. And I thought I would not pull the trigger on this, but my brother gave me a gift card for my birthday, so I ended up getting it with a gift card. But it's just really cool. It's a big statement piece, and I'm sure that I can find a place for it. It is just way too big for where I wanted to put it, which was in my TV console and one of the shelves, but it doesn't fit in there. I got one item from Walmart. Actually, I got 6, but of the same item. and it is this set of, these are probably what are considered to be salad plates. These are from the Better Homes and Gardens Heritage Collection. They were $2.99, I think, or $2.98 a piece. And they have this really kind of old-fashioned train print on them. They had ones in other prints. I think there were 2 other styles, so you could mix and match, but the train reminds me of my dad. My grandpa passed down a train set to him. I think it's called Lionel trains, and he loved that. So when I saw the train, I thought, I better get that. I'm hosting Christmas at my house this year. I did last year as well. And I just thought these would be great for dessert plates, appetizer plates, and it'll remind us all of my dad, which is super special. So the last item from this haul is sitting right back here. It is that super cute tree from Michael's. I believe at full price it was $40, but everything is 50% off, so I got it for about $20. And it does have a lot of glitter on it. They had a flocked version and they had a version that had no glitter, but you will see when I do my home tour that I have a green Christmas tree in this room and a flocked Christmas tree and some green garland, and I'm just trying to put like all the different kinds of greenery in this room so that it looks like I intentionally have a bunch of different kinds and not that it's just mismatched, if that makes sense. So I thought the glitter was like marrying the flocked with the natural green. I don't know, but I just love that tree. Even though it's not pre-lit, I put my own little fairy lights on it, and it just is so cute. It has that really cute kind of Charlie Brown Nordic inspired look that I love this year. I would absolutely adore to get like a massive tree like that for next year to replace my flock tree, but your girl needs to slow her roll on the Christmas trees. Like, I have so many now and not enough room in this little house for all of them. So anyways, you guys, thank you so much for spending time with me in today's video. If you enjoyed this style where I show you how I'm using the items as I haul them, then let me know and I will make more like this in the future. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what your favorite item from this haul was, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Bye now.